Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of September 15th through the 21st, 2025 using my A5 notebook from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my A5 notebook. I'm going with a vertical layout over 4 pages for this week's spread. My theme for September is stencils, so I'll be using this stencil from the Crafter's Workshop. I'll be using this reading quotes sheet, this month's sticker sheet, these days of the week stickers, and number stickers, all from According to Allie. And I'll be incorporating this Victorian Velvet Distressed Oxide. For the last few weeks, my spreads have all looked very similar. I usually have some vertical deco going down the leftmost column of the spread when I'm going with a vertical layout, but I decided for this week I wanted to switch things up a little bit, and I'm putting down this stencil horizontally at the bottom of all 4 pages of the spread. I thought this was a fun way to use a stencil a little bit differently than I have the last few weeks, but also a great way of incorporating deco onto all 4 pages of the spread, even though I'm still keeping things pretty minimal. I love the color I went with. It's one of my favorite distress oxides that I have, and I think it works great for mid to late September as we start moving into more fall-like weather. I am going in now with some dates and days of the week stickers from According to Allie. I'm kind of spacing everything out so that these headers are centered in each column. That's something that I always like to do. And I decided to stick with this being very simple in this week's spread. So I'm going with some days of the week that have a very simple font in order to not compete with the other fonts that I'm using in this spread. Because I laid my stencil down horizontally, I decided that I wanted the quote and the month sticker that I'm putting in this left column to be vertical in order to try and take up some of that vertical space and not let this area of the spread look too minimal. And I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I think the quote that I used worked perfectly in this area. I went with quotes that had this more typewriter-esque font to them, again, so that we didn't have like multiple cursive writings going on or anything like that. And I think it works well with the September monthly sticker, but also works well in this bottom right corner where I incorporated another quote. And then the last thing that I'm doing is just putting in some lines to separate each day of the week using my Micron in 08 and erasing all of my pencil marks. I'm really happy with the way that this spread came out. I think it's a little bit different and unique in terms of a stencil spread. Definitely takes me out of my comfort zone a little bit, but it's also still incredibly functional. These columns are still long enough to fit a very extensive to-do list, so I know I'll have plenty of room throughout the week. And yeah, just overall very pleased with the way that this spread ended up coming out. I hope that you all enjoyed this plan with me, and as always everyone, please be safe. Bye-bye.